Hey guys, Alex Burton here with Ultimate Outdoorsman. Got an easy do-it-yourself project for you today to help save you some money. Kayak anglers and people out in kayaks in general, uh, rod leashes are a necessity to keep your gear inside your kayak and the off chance that you flip it. Now they can be pretty expensive, anywhere from $10 to $12 for just one. But for $10 or less, I can show you a quick and easy way to make just as many as you want. So follow along with me and I'll show you what to do. Okay, now to make these rod leashes, all you're gonna need is some paracord, a lighter, some scissors, and some carabiners. Now, what you're gonna do is unroll a few feet of this paracord and cut it off with your scissors. Then take the ends and burn them off with your lighter, just to make sure you have no frayed ends. Now to save some time, I've already done that. And after you get it cut and the ends burn like that, all you're gonna do is take it and do some overhand loops real quick. One, go to the other end. Oops. Now you want to try to make one end slightly bigger than the other on your loop sizes. There. So you'll get two loops like that. And the reason why you made one slightly bigger than the other is because this one's got to go through it, just like that. So then you're going to grab your fishing pole. Around, loop this through here, pull it tight, and then grab yourself a carabiner and clip it on. And that's all you got to do. You just take that carabiner and clip it onto one of your pad-eyes on your kayak, and you got yourself a ready to go rod leash. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than that. I know looking at it, it may look like it slide up there or something, but I mean, it really doesn't move. And even after you have your line threaded through your eyes, it'll really keep it on there if something was to really happen. So that's all there is to it. I mean, it takes literally less than a minute, and you can make, I think I bought a pack of carabiners for $3, and I bought the paracord for $8. So you're looking at $10, $11, and I had made at least 4 or 5 of these, and I use them all the time. So there you go, guys. So that's your quick do-it-yourself project of the day. See y'all next time.